Thai quinoa rice cakes with cucumber and peanut salad. Prepare the ingredients. Add 1/4 cup of rice vinegar into a saucepan. Add 1/4 cup of agave. Add 1/4 cup of water. Place the saucepan onto a stove and heat on a high heat. Bring to the boil and simmer for about 4 minutes until the sauce is thick. After about 3 or 4 minutes, the liquid is slightly thickened. Remove from the heat and set aside. Roughly chop some peanuts, finely dice Lebanese cucumber, finely slice red chili. Add the chili to the syrup, add the cucumber, add the peanuts, and stir well. Then set aside. Finally chop 1 handful of green beans. Finally slice 2 kaffir lime leaves. In a food processor, add 2 cups of cooked quinoa. Add 1 cup of brown rice. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of red Thai curry paste. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. The sliced kaffir lime leaves, and mix to a paste. Place the quinoa mixture into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of agave syrup. Add the beans. Then mix well to combine. And roll the mixture into patties. And place on a tray with baking paper. Preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Then serve with the cucumber and peanut salad.